Yes, well, we are welcoming our new education team, and Danielle is going to lead the charge today. Danielle, welcome.
Good morning, everyone. So this month, as we all know, we're focusing on one-to-ones, and last week Kay went with the education moment of visibility, credibility, and profitability, and what that actually means, and how those three things work together. Next slide, please. So I took it and I listened to podcast 752 and 754, who to have one-to-ones with, and I want referrals and I want them now. And the one thing that 754 spoke on was the VCP, and how it says that you have to have one-to-ones with people to become more visible in your BNI group, because you need to build your credibility, which will increase your profitability. But the one thing that Ivan stressed was you have to be patient, because you're not only building a referral network, you're building a partnership and a friendship. And once you be patient with that and you build that solid networking foundation with your business partners, they will have enough confidence in you and your credibility to recommend you to their friends and business partners, and believe that you will not damage their credibility with those people. Next slide, please. And one way to do that, one practical step, is first know the referral types within your group. Who is your advocator? Who is your promoter? And who is your creator? So advocators are people that someone calls them on the phone and they say, hey, I have a plumbing issue. Do you know someone? And they recommend you. They will advocate for you. They'll say that, I know this guy, he's great. Promoters will walk into a room and, just start promoting you and all the wonderful things that you've done for them. But creators are people that literally, when they come into contact, they don't even have to be in a business setting. They'll sit there and talk about, oh my gosh, I met this guy. His name is Brian. He does, SOE, and he works really, really good and helped me build my business. And it was really, really amazing. So you want to know what those type of people that you have are. And then next, they suggested that you have two one-to-ones, one with a new member of your group and one with a high giver of your group. And during that month, you dedicate yourself to being their advocate, their promoter, and their creator to help them build their business. One, so your new member gets all of the praise and accolades they need and get the warm welcome with BNI, and so that your high giver doesn't leave the group and knows that we care just as much about what they're giving out as what we're giving to them. So next week, we'll have Rachel Needle, and she will talk about the gains exchange and one-to-ones.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing that. And sorry for the